Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the wonderful world of medicinal gardening with our beginner's guide. Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts. I'm host's name, and I'm thrilled to share with you everything you need to know about starting your very own medicinal garden. A medicinal garden is not just a beautiful addition to your home, it's also a treasure trove of natural remedies and healing powers. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a complete novice, our medicinal garden kit has got you covered. Inside, you'll find everything you need to kickstart your journey to wellness. From aromatic herbs to soothing flowers, each plant in our kit is carefully selected for its medicinal properties. And don't worry if you're new to gardening, our guidebook provides step-by-step instructions to ensure your success. With just a little love and attention, you'll soon have a thriving garden filled with nature's remedies right at your fingertips. Imagine stepping outside to pluck fresh herbs for your teas, tinctures, or homemade remedies. It's incredibly empowering to take charge of your health in such a natural and sustainable way. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to wellness today with our medicinal garden kit. Click the link in the description to get yours now and let's grow together.